Hello everyone, welcome to Vapari Farms. Today we're excited to share with you some of the best fruit trees you can grow right in your backyard in the Chicago area. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these trees will not only add beauty to your landscape, but also provide you with delicious fresh fruit. First up, let's talk about apple trees. Illinois may not be a top apple producing state, but you can still grow many popular varieties like Honeycrisp, Gala, Braeburn, Fuji, Red Fuji, and Pink Lady. Apple trees generally require cross-pollination, so planting at least 2 different varieties is recommended. Next, we have cherry trees. Both sweet and sour cherries can thrive in Chicago. For sweet cherries, look for varieties like Stella, while sour cherries like Montmorency and North Star are perfect for baking and making preserves. Some cherry trees, like the early Richmond, are self-pollinating. Pear trees are another excellent choice. Varieties such as Bartlett, Danjou, Asian 20th Century, and Asian Shinseki do well in the Chicago climate. Pears also require cross-pollination, so ensure you plant multiple varieties. The Kiefer pear is a popular choice for its hardiness. If you're looking for something a bit more exotic, peach trees can be grown in Chicago with success. Varieties like Red Haven and Alberta are popular for their juicy fruit. Peach trees typically produce fruit within 3 to 4 years and require less maintenance than some other fruit trees. Other fruit trees that do well in the Chicago area include nectarine trees, which require annual pruning, and persimmon trees, known for their cold tolerance and disease resistance. For those interested in berries, raspberries, blackberries, and currants are all low-maintenance options that thrive in Zone 5. Growing your own fruit trees in Chicago can be incredibly rewarding. With a little planning and care, you can enjoy fresh, delicious fruit right from your backyard. Thanks for joining us today at Vapari Farms, and we hope you'll start planting your own edible orchards soon.